on a quick ride to this course. So over here you can see there are 3 practice tests. Each practice test contains 60 questions, so there are totally 180 questions. And the fourth practice test is about the voucher details. So in this particular practice test you can find the vouchers which are 100 US dollars, as well as there is a method through which your entire certification will become free of cost. However, it has some conditions applied, but in order to apply 100 US dollar vouchers, there are no conditions. Few days back, I also received a voucher that was 150 US dollar, but that is right now not valid. Okay, so as soon as I receive any good or nice voucher, I always upload it over here. Okay, so let's now focus on the practice test. So when you click on the practice test, you will be shown this particular page. Over here you can see there are 60 questions, and it is a time bound exam of 1 hour 45 minutes. This is the passing percentage, and then you need to click over here. When you will click on the begin test, you will be presented with the questions, and over here you can see that the timer has already started. Okay, so one by one you will be presented with the questions, and there are few beautiful features with this practice test. So first is you can see that you can mark this question as a review. So if you are not sure about the question, you can mark that as review, and when the exam will about to over, you can come to this question and think about this question, and or allocate more time to this particular question. Okay, the other beautiful feature is you can pause this exam at any time. So for example, if you are giving this exam and there is some other substantial task has come up, then you can simply pause this particular exam, and whenever you will come back to the Udemy page, you can click on the resume test, and you can start your exam from that point. In the actual certification you will not be able to do so. However, this is a practice test, so you can do so. Okay, uh, you need to give the answers of these questions, and for example, let me choose one answer. And so likewise you have to give the 60 questions answer, and then once you will finish your test, you will be presented with the result of that particular test. So for example, simplicity of this video, I have already given one of the exam, and over here you can see that I got 86 percentage, where around 86.7 percentage were correct answers, 5 percentage were wrong answers, and I skipped 8 percentage answers. So in the actual exam, please do not skip any question. Even if you are not sure, give the random answer plus, but please do not skip any question. Okay, so the actual real magic of this particular course is the detailed explanation. So when you will click on the review questions, you will be presented with the correct answer. You will be presented with the correct answer as well as the explanation of that question. So over here you can find the explanation. In most of the questions I have also included screenshots to give you better insights of the answer. Okay, also one more thing I would like to highlight over here is uh, there are few questions which I am not sure about. There are few scenarios which I am not sure, because it is a very vast area. So I have mentioned something like please note in the explanation where I am not sure. Okay, so but however I have not removed that question, because from the exam point of view those questions are really important. So I have not removed it, but I have mentioned as please note, and I am working on it, and as soon as I will get the answer, I will be sure about the answer, I will upload it. Okay, so all right, so I hope this course will be helpful to you, not only to clear the certification but also to gain the Sales Cloud knowledge. So please do subscribe. Thank you.